Hello guys, welcome to another brand new unboxing video, and in this box I supposed to have this phone, Samsung A50s 4GB 128GB storage. In Amazon.com this price is 19,680, but I bought it from Flipkart. Is 12,749 rupees. So I get an awesome deal on Flipkart. Still this phone is selling around 13,999, but if you have SBI card you can get up to 10% discount. So guys, let's unbox it and find out what's inside this box. Is this a brick or a stone, or is this the mobile phone? What's inside? Let's find out guys. Okay, so here is the box, and it comes with some kind of cardboard wrapped around. Remove it. Okay, this is a made in India phone. Wow, Samsung A50s. It's a 1-year-old phone. Look at the price. The price is 24,900, around 25,000, but I got it half of the price. So I think it's an awesome deal. And here, as you see, month of years manufacture is September 2020. So I think it's a recent phone, but the packages look like a little bit old. It's not look like brand new package, but who cares? Let's open it and let's see what's inside. Seal, cut the seal, and let's see what we get. Yeah, we get a phone. That's awesome. We get a brand new phone. It's cool. And here we get a charger. I think it's a first charger. Okay, 5-volt 2 amp charger. This is a headphone, earphone, and a tiny USB-C cable. Here we also get a SIM tray. It's stuck in this cover. This is a SIM tray ejector, and here we get a transparent back silicone cover for the phone. Pretty good. And here is some manual. So that's it inside the box. Pretty good deal. I think it's an awesome deal. So now let's turn on the phone. Oh, it's sleek, slim design, 3 camera, and my first impression, this phone is amazing. The sound quality is good, camera is good, camera is awesome camera, front camera, back camera, both camera is good. I never used a OLED screen before, and it looks like so amazing. This color reproduction, and it's snappy. It's powered by phone is powered by a Samsung Exynos 9600. This processor, so many people says the processor is slow and it's not good for gaming, but I'm going to give somebody this game who not going to play a single game. She's just going to consume multimedia on this phone, so that's not a big deal. And all over, I think it's a bang for bucks phone at 12,749 rupees. I bought this phone and I am super happy that I bought this one. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like it, make sure to smack a big thumbs up, and if you guys have any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. That being said, my name is Abhijit. I'm signing out, and I'll meet with you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.